Welcome to this deep dive into one of nature's most enigmatic creatures, the pink fairy armadillo. Enigmatic, elusive, and endemic to Argentina, this species invites both intrigue and scientific curiosity. In today's video, we'll unpack the biological and ecological marvels of the pink fairy armadillo, explore the environmental pressures it's facing, and discuss the critical conservation efforts currently underway. The pink fairy armadillo, or Clemaphorus truncatus, represents an extraordinary adaptation to the environmental challenges of the Argentine deserts. Measuring just 90 to 115 millimeters in length and weighing about 120 grams, this smallest species of armadillo is known for its distinct pink-hued flexible dorsal shell. This semi-translucent armor is connected to their bodies solely through a thin dorsal membrane, a nuanced structural feature that allows for flexibility unlike any other member of the Dasypodidae family. The pink fairy armadillo inhabits a narrow geographic range within the arid and semi-arid regions of central Argentina, notably in provinces such as Mendoza and San Luis, extending slightly into Buenos Aires. This range epitomizes a fragile ecosystem characterized by temperature extremes and sparse vegetation, including Larrea and Portulaca species, key factors in the armadillo's ability to burrow efficiently. These armadillos showcase a high degree of specialization for life in xeric environments, being strictly nocturnal to avoid the intense heat of daytime. Their burrowing proficiency is akin to swimming through sand, earning them the nickname sand swimmers. This behavior is facilitated by their forelimbs, which are equipped with elongated claws ideal for digging through loose, sandy soils. In terms of thermoregulation, their dense white fur and specially adapted shell enable effective heat retention during cold nocturnal hours, a critical survival adaptive feature given the nightly plummeting temperatures of their habitat. In terms of trophic interactions, the pink fairy armadillo is a fossorial insectivore, predominantly feeding on ants and larvae, which are abundant in their subterranean ecosystem. Their dietary adaptability allows them to switch to consuming plant matter, such as roots and leaves, when insect prey is scarce. In captivity, they have shown acceptance for non-native foods like avocados and specially formulated insectivore feed, underlining their generalized dietary habits. Listed as data deficient by the IUCN Red List, the conservation status of pink fairy armadillos reflects a paucity of comprehensive population studies. Anthropogenic pressures such as agricultural encroachment and pesticide use compound the existential threat posed by natural predators like domestic dogs and habitat disturbances brought by climate variability. Illegal trade, capitalizing on their rarity, further endangers the species, while stress from captivity exacerbates their fragility. Despite these challenges, several conservation frameworks are being deployed. The species is afforded some protection under national legislation, with Lihue-Calel National Park serving as a notable haven. Yet, conservationists face significant hurdles, particularly given the species' sensitivity to environmental changes and the stress-induced mortality associated with translocation. Education and increased public awareness, coupled with robust research initiatives, are paramount in shaping successful conservation policies. In conclusion, the pink fairy armadillo remains one of the world's most elusive and intriguing species. Its specialized ecological niche and unique physiological adaptations make it an important subject of study. As we advance our knowledge and efforts to conserve its fragile habitat, it becomes imperative to foster greater awareness and support for biodiversity conservation. If you found this exploration insightful, consider subscribing for more such in-depth analyses. Let's work together to unravel the secrets of our natural world.